Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, this is a $30 everyday tactical sling bag. Very cool for guys going out into the woods, do a little bit of hiking, do some hunting, fishing, backpacking, SHTF, EDC, whatever it is you do. It's an excellent shoulder bag. You can wear it on the front or you can wear it on the back. It has a couple of nice pockets in it, places to put buckles, to hang stuff on, whatever it is you want. It's got a nice concealed carry holster right here in the top pocket that you could easily get in there and pull out your firearm in there. Pistol goes inside. It's got a nice big pocket. Two good zippers on the side here that hold together here with Velcro. And then with this little strap right there. But again, even with the strap closed, you can get in there and get your firearm out of there if you had to. But the main thing, again, it's very concealed. You can't see it. And again, very easy, one-handed. Get right in there and get your everyday carry right out of there. It's got a holster right inside. Fits nice inside the pocket. Very cool, guys. We'll go over the inside of it and some of the pockets here and see how it is. Not very big, but very well made, strong, and durable bag. Again, you can wear it on the front of you or around your back. And I'll show you some of the stuff on the inside of it as well. There's some pretty cool pockets and stuff on there. So here in the front of it, you got a big pocket right here. You got another one here. These got all zippers on them. Two big ones here on the side for water bottles, first aid kit, whatever it is you want. Another one here on the side. It's got a nice mesh backing here that's comfortable and breathable for your back on your skin, so you don't have to worry about sweating to death. This top pocket here has an inside pocket, but also lifts up and has a bigger pocket. And I have a case in here. I got lighters in here, extra batteries in here, things to make a fire with, a little bit of first aid stuff. But there's a lot of things you can use, guys, if you're trying to get ready for whatever scenario. They zip up nice and tight. Everything secures nice. There's a lot of spots on here that you can hook clamps on or rings for whatever it is you want. Knives. I just put these on here for demonstration purposes, but that's on all the pockets. Have them loops on there, even on the sides there to hang stuff on the bag, whatever it is you want to put on there. And then the buckle here in the front, I use that for my headlamp. Also, like I said, that's my pistols in there. But you always got to have light, guys. Or I just did a review on this tactical flashlight that I got. Fits perfect right here in the side. So I'll show you guys what I have in mind. But again, this is something you could throw together in a few minutes if you're on the run to get out to the woods or whatever it is that you're doing, to go out and have a good time and have something with you just in case something goes down. You're ready to go. So in the big pocket here, I have another bigger bag like this. I have extra magazines. I got a nice hunting knife in there, and I got a big pill bottle that's probably got 300 or 400 rounds of 22 in there. In the smaller bag, I got some zip ties, again, extra batteries, extra Allen wrenches and screws and stuff for accessories on any of my firearms, Picatinny rails, sights, whatever it is that you need, guys. Just a little cheap $5 leather bag to put inside there to carry extra goods in there. Again, the front pocket, there's a pocket here too to put stuff in here. I got smaller magazines for 380s. This pocket here is going to be for 9mm, extra 9mm rounds and extra 380 rounds. So that's three handguns, a couple in the pocket, one in the backpack. my little North America Arms 22 revolver. Like I said, not only do I have one gun, I got 3 guns concealed to this little bag or to my pocket that are very covert. No one even know you got them. You know what I mean? Also, I got this is gunpowder. This is to start a fire with, guys. If you're out into the woods or near water and your stuff gets wet, it's going to be very hard with a fire starter to get a fire going. But gunpowder and some lint, dryer lint sheets, well, not dryer lint sheets. The lint from your dryer, if you put that in a Ziploc bag, that makes the best fire starter, guys. The best fire starter. You have a fire in no time with that. A couple sprinkles of gunpowder on there, and you're going to have a fire instantly. Instead of messing around trying to start a fire with a magnesium stick or whatever, that gunpowder is going to ignite right away. And if you don't have a container for gunpowder, you can take the top of the bullet casing off and get the gunpowder out of there if you need to. Again, this is for an emergency situation, and you need to get a fire going. You know, if you're suffering from hypothermia or whatever. Again, this little case here, extra parts for my flashlight, AAA batteries, extra power cords for charging my flashlight, whatever, if I'm able to access power anywhere. Just little necessities to have. A little bit of first aid kit, a little bit of band-aids, whatever. Again, this isn't my main backpack. This is just an everyday carry tactical sling, you know, to throw on your shoulder, to run out somewhere, wherever, but you'll be protected. There's lots of room inside here to hold stuff. And like I said, them empty pill bottles that I use, you could put a lot of bullets in there to have as a backup. You got another big pocket here. If you want to store additional stuff inside there, they're very big. You can do that. You can put whatever you want to put in there. There's, like I said, there's a lot of room. You got 4 big pockets here on the outside. 2 big ones here in the front. 2 big ones on the side here that zip up all the way around. Made very well nicely. And then the big one here on top, you could put a 10-inch iPad in there if you needed to, whatever. But a big pocket in the front, like I said. So there's a lot of things, and again, it's very small, very durable. It got straps for the left shoulder or right shoulder, depending on which one it is you use to carry. And then again, in the top part here, you got your everyday carry perfectly concealed right inside of there with a nice holster built right in there that comes out as well. It's Velcro's in there. But again, you get a nice little holster, put your everyday carry in there, and it stays put right inside the bag here. And again, 2 zippers on the side with Velcro, and you're good to go, guys. So that's what I have in mind so far. Again, just things to start a fire with for emergency. I have extra rounds of ammunition for 3 guns, not 1 gun, for 3. I have ammunition for 3 guns. And again, on your shoulder, there's literally no weight to it at all when it's on your shoulder. It doesn't even feel like you have a bag on your chest. You know what I mean? These other buckles and stuff here, I just threw on here just to show you all the spots on here where you can mount stuff on here if you had to. I would like to see more rings like this one on the pockets. There was only this one in the front, but again, these all have holes here for hanging paracord or zip ties if you need to make a quick shelter or whatever. There's a lot of places to add things here. Knives, different knives for the woods, a gutting knife, hunting knife, pocket knife, whatever it is you want, guys. And again, a headlamp and a tactical flashlight, and be able to make a fire, and you're good to go, guys. You got some guns, get you some small game, get you something to eat, get you a nice fire going, sit back and enjoy the great outdoors, guys, till the shit blows over, and you're good to go. Again, $30. They come in multiple colors. I picked this color. I like this color a lot. Nice camo. They do have a gray and white one like this. They have an all black one, and they have a lot of solid colors. two that you can choose from, but I chose that one. Oh, and I forgot my multi-tool here. If this isn't in my pocket, then it'd be on my bag someplace. This is the Rover tack. It's got a bunch of different attachments to it. It's got some knives, some scissors, some needle nose pliers, some wire cutters. It's got all kind of stuff. A couple of different screwdriver bits to it. You know, if you need it, like, again, this is all to, if you have to adjust things, any mounts on your rifles, scopes, extra batteries for your optics, whatever it is, you have it right there in that, just that little bag, guys. I'll do a big backpack, my big backpack for my bug out bag later on. But that was just a quick shoulder bag to show you guys how easy. Again, I got stuff in there that could survive very easy if I had to get out and run real quick and, you know, SHTF situation, whatever. Or I'll probably use that when I go out to my hunting stand. Again, I got plenty of ammo. I got things to make a fire. I got a little bit of necessities in there if I was to hurt myself or cut myself. And that should be good, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day, everybody.